Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about if it is possible to see how many hours you've played on Roblox. So let's start. So let's go ahead and open up Roblox. And here within the game, let's go to the game settings. And from here, we can see that we've got lots of options. So we can go to profile, and from this one, we can see a lot of information about our profile. We can see the games that we played. We can also see when we joined Roblox. However, we cannot find an option here to see how much hours are we spending on Roblox. Now, if we go to other settings like, let's go to account info. So from this one, again, we cannot see an option to see how many hours we have played on Roblox. This is because Roblox does not have this option. So if you want to monitor how much time you are spending on Roblox, you can download other apps on the App Store or in the Google Store to see how much time you are spending on a particular app. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.